Good morning, students. Yesterday we had discussed summary and read the pages 77 and 78 with explanation, word meaning and phrases of the chapter 3 important questions. Today we are going to discuss next 3 pages. So get ready with your English literature book Roots and Wings and open it at page number 79. By the end of the video, you will be able to narrate story in your own words. You will be able to tell meanings of difficult words and phrases, and you will also be able to answer the related questions. So now, let's start the reading. The king said to him, "I have come to you to seek answers to some important questions that have been bothering me." Bothering means to make upset. Firstly, how can I do the right thing at the right time? Secondly, who are the people I need the most and to whom should I pay more attention? Lastly, what affairs are most important and need my immediate attention? Immediate means instant. The wise hermit did not reply, but continued digging the soil. The king further said, "Let me dig the soil for you, as you look tired." The hermit gave him the spade and sat down after thanking the king. After a while means कुछ समय बाद, when he had dug 2 beds, bed means an area of ground where plants are grown. The king repeated the questions, but the hermit kept quiet. Now, the question is, what did the king ask the hermit? The king asked the hermit his 3 questions. How did the hermit react? The hermit did not speak and kept on digging. Students, in these 2 paragraphs, we have read that the king asked the hermit his 3 questions, but the hermit did not reply, and he kept on digging the soil. Then the king offered to dig for him for a while. Hours passed, and the sun was about to set. The king looked at the hermit and said, "I came to you for answers to my questions." To my questions means मेरे सवालों के. If you cannot give me any, do tell me. I will return home. The hermit suddenly spoke. Hermit means sage. Here comes a man running. Let us see who he is. The king turned around and saw a man running towards them out of the wood. He held his stomach tightly with blood oozing out. Oozing means flowing out slowly, and fell down moaning with pain. Moaning means crying in pain. The king and the hermit immediately tried to help him. The king quickly cleaned his wound and bandaged it. The man revived. Revived means regained consciousness after some time and was taken into the hut. After a night's peaceful sleep, when he awoke, he saw that the king was also awake. The bearded man said in a pleading tone. Pleading means requesting. "Forgive me, O mighty king." Who came when the king was insisting the hermit to answer his questions. A bearded man came when the king was insisting the hermit to answer his questions. What had happened to the man? The man was wounded. He held his stomach tightly with blood oozing out and fell down crying with pain. What did the king do? The king quickly cleaned his wound and bandaged it. Students, in this paragraph we have read that the king was asking for answers to his questions. Before the hermit could reply, a man came out of the forest. He was wounded. The king dressed his wounds and took great care of him. The king stayed that night in the hermit's hut. Let's read further. The king was taken aback. Aback means to be very shocked, and said, "But I do not know you, and have nothing to forgive you for." The bearded man explained, "You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you." Swore means pledged, and revenge means hurt or punish someone for wrong done by him or her. Because you executed his brother and seized his property. Executed means carried out a sentence of death, and seized means to hold off. I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit, and I resolved to kill you on your way back. Resolved means firmly determined to do something. But the day passed, and you did not return. So I came out from my ambush to find you. Ambush means a surprise attack. And I came upon your bodyguards. They recognized me and wounded me. Recognized means to identify. I escaped. Escaped means ran from them and should have bled to death had you not dressed my wounds. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now, if I live, and if you wish it, I will serve you as your most faithful slave, and will bid my sons do the same. Bid means to issue an order to. Forgive me. The king was moved, and he forgave him. He said he would also send his servants and his own physician. Physician means doctor. To attend to him. To attend to him means उसकी देखभाल करने को. As well as restore his property. Restore means revive. Thus, he had made peace with an enemy and gained a friend instead. Now, what did the bearded man reveal? The bearded man revealed that he was king's enemy who swore revenge on him. How was the bearded man wounded? The bearded man was wounded as the king's bodyguards recognized him and attacked him. How did the king react? The king was moved and he forgave the man. Students, in these lines we have read that the wounded man revealed that he was king's enemy. The king had executed his brother and seized his property. So he wanted to kill the king. The king forgave him and made peace with him. The king took leave of him and went out looking for the hermit, who was sowing seeds in the beds the king had dug the day before. The king said to him, "I pray you to answer my questions, wise man." The hermit looked at him and said, "You have already been answered. I know for certain. If you had not dug these beds and gone your way, that man would have tried to kill you. So, the most important time was when you were digging the soil, and I was the most important man. To do me good was your most important business at that particular time. Later, when that man ran to us, the most important time was when you were attending to him, for if you had not looked after him, he would have died without having made peace with you. So, he was the most important man, and all that you did for him was the most important business. Remember a few important things always. There is only one time that is important. Now. It is the most important time since it is the only time when we have any power. The most important man is he with whom you are. For no man knows whether he will ever have dealings. Dealings means manner of conduct with any other person. And what is most necessary is to do him good. Because for that purpose alone means उसी उद्देश्य के लिए was man sent into this life. The king bowed with respect. Bowed means to bend downwards, as he had got the right answers to his questions, and took leave of the hermit. So, now the question is, what did the king ask the hermit when he was leaving the hut? The king asked for the answers to his questions when he was leaving the hut. What did the hermit reply to the king? The hermit replied that the most important time is now. The most important person is you are with at that time. And the most important thing is to do good to that person. Students, in these lines we have read that the king asked again for his questions and the hermit replied that the most important time is now. The most important person is you are with at that time, and the most important thing is to do good to that person. After getting the answers, the king bowed his head and took a leave of the hermit. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now, revise the question answers, creative writing and back exercises of the chapter 3 important questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.